If it is more than 25%, what is the next calculation? Then your net profit you have to divide. If it is less than 25%, we will not divide anything. Material returned at store. Return means वापस. Return to store, it will be credit. You have plant in the debit side and you have adjustment on the plant means you should write closing balance. Up to 25%, no division. 25 to 50%, 1 by 3 calculation. 50 and above, 2 by 3 calculation. Hello everyone, this is your Adarsh sir here, lecturing Vidyashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. And now we are in the session 4 of cost accounting and we are discussing the methods of costing. Under methods of costing, which topic we are discussing? We are discussing about contract costing. In the previous session, we did one problem on contract costing and in today's session, we will work out one more problem on contract costing. So today's session will go with the concept, problem and contract costing. So these are the information we have. What is the contract price? The total contract price is 40 lakh. Now, what is the depreciation on plant? It will be 10%. Now, other than that, we have these many informations. Now, what are the informations we have? Material used, it is debit side. Wages, debit. Direct expenses, debit. Plant introduced. How much plant introduced? It will be debit side. Material at site, credit. Work certified. Work certified will be credit. Work uncertified, credit. Material returned at store. Return means वापस. Return to store, it will be credit. Now, we'll go one by one. We'll do 2018, then we'll go for 19 and then we'll go for 2020. So we'll go with one by one. So this is what? Contract costing or contract account. Now, so we'll go with debit and credit side. Whatever we mention debit side, it will come debit, and whatever we mention credit side, it will come under credit side. Now, one by one we write what we have. Material used, wages, direct expenses. Material used. Second one, wages. Third one, direct expenses. Fourth one, plant. Material used, wages, direct expenses, plant. So how much we have? 7 lakh 20, 2 lakh 80, 1 lakh. 7 lakh 20,000, 2 lakh 80,000, 1 lakh. After this we have, after 1 lakh we have 5 lakh for plant introduced. Plant introduced is 5 lakh. So everything we have taken. After that, material at site closing balance 32 by material at site 32,000. After that, work certified, work uncertified 15 lakh and 20,000 by work in progress, work certified and work uncertified 15 lakh and 20,000. It will be 15 lakh and 20,000. So these are the informations we got. After that, we have material returned at store. Material returned which side? Credit side. 14,000. Material returned 14,000. So once we done, remember you have plant on the debit side, yes. You have depreciation on plant, yes. Then we have to write closing balance. Again I'll repeat, you have plant in the debit side and you have adjustment on the plant, means you should write closing balance. They will not give you closing balance like material opening is this one, closing is this one. Like this, they will not give you for plant. We should only calculate what is the closing balance for plant. Now, your closing balance for plant, how much? We have 5 lakh rupees. In that 5 lakh, what is the depreciation? 10%. Now, plant 5 lakh minus 10%, it is 50,000. The balance will be 4,50,000. We have to see which side is more. If you add your debit column, 7 plus 2, 9 lakh plus 1, 10 lakh plus 5, 15 and 16 lakh. If you add this side, it will be 15 lakh plus 20, 15 lakh 20 plus 14, it will be 15 lakh 34,000. I'll go with calculation. So 32,000 plus 15 lakh plus 20,000 plus 14,000 plus 4,50,000. Total it will be 20,16,000. What is the total we get? So total we get 20,16,000. We'll write this 20,16,000. The same value we have to write in the debit side also. 20,16,000. Now from 20,16,000 you minus these things. How to do? I'll go for that. 16 lakh if you minus, you will get 4,16,000. This will be notional profit. It is not net profit. We call it as notional profit. What is this? Notional profit. Now, 4,16,000 will be your notional profit. So this will cross check once. We have 32,000, 15 lakh, 20,000, 14,000, 4,50,000. If you add everything, it will be 20,16,000. Now, once you done up to this, what is the next procedure? Remember, you got profit? Yes. If you got profit, the next procedure is you have to find out what is your profit. 4,16,000? Yes. Work completion. Work completion. Now, as per this, how much is your contract price? 40 lakh. What is the work certified? You have 15 lakh. Remember, in this, work certified divided by contract price into 100. What is your work certified? 15 lakh into 100 divided by 40 lakh. Hope you are clear? Yes. 15 lakh into 100 divided by 40 lakh. Now we have to calculate. I got around 37.5%. 37.5%. This is more than 25%. This is what? More than 25%. Hope you are clear. Yes, this is more than 25%. Today I'll do only 1 year contract because just I want to show what are the calculation you have. So we got 37.5%. Now what is the concept actually? Why did we calculate it? What is the work completion means? Remember, every problem you should follow the same thing. In your first year, we are doing 2018. In the first year, do you have profit? Yes. First point. What is the second point? What is the work completion? If you do work completion, how much you will get? So you will get 37.5%. How much you will get? 37.5%. Now, the slab, I'll tell you, up to 25%, no calculation. 25 to 50%, 1 by 3. 50% and above is 2 by 3. These are calculation. Hope you are clear. Yes. Now, as per this, how much you got? You got 37.5%. How much you got? 37.5%. After that, what you are supposed to do? Remember, if it is 37.5, it will come under this slab. 37.5 comes in between this. Then the formula is 1 by 3 into, before that, your notional profit into 1 by 3 into cash received divided by contract price. Cash received divided by contract price. What is the cash received in this? Now, in question, they will mention that 80% of work certified is called as cash received. Now, so in the question, they will mention that 80% of the work certified is called as cash received. Now, will come, what is your work certified? 15 lakh. What is the 80% of that? 15 lakh into 80%. It will be around how much? 1,20,000. How much it is? 1,20,000. Now, so we'll calculate once. 15 lakh into 80 divided by 100. Yeah, I got 1,20,000. Now, come back to your formula. What is the formula? Notional profit into 1 by 3 into cash received divided by contract price. Notional profit, how much we got? 4,16,000. 4,16,000 into 1 by 3 into cash received. What is your cash received? Just we calculated 1,20,000 is your cash received. Divided by contract price is how much? 40 lakh. So this much only your calculation. Hope you are clear. Now, it is not contract price. We'll go with work certified. It is not contract price. We'll go with work certified. Now, we'll go with work certified. Because we will not go for contract price. The reason is, still we are in the first year. End of the year, fourth year, it is a full value. Right now, you are in the first year. Go with work certified. What is that? Work certified. Now, if you go as per this, what is your work certified? So it is 12 lakh actually. It is 15 lakh. 12 lakh and 15 lakh. This is 12 lakh. Yes. So 15 lakh into 80%, you will get 12 lakh. Now, calculate this. You will get 4,16,000 into 1 divided by 3 into 1,20,000. I got 1,10,933. 1,10,933. Hope you are clear. This is your answer. Now, why we did all this means, your notional profit, how much? 4,16,000. 4,16,000. In this, we have to do two bifurcation. One will go for P&L, one will go for general reserve. Again, I'll repeat. One will go for P&L, one will go for general reserve. Now, how much we got? 1,10,000. 933. What is the balance? 4,16,000. It will be 3,05,067. 3,05,067. Hope you are clear. Clear? Now, again, I'll explain you once again. So, don't be in bias or confusion. We are doing only 2018. 19 and 20 we are not doing today. In this, what happens? We have to do normal contract account. Now, all the debit side, all the credit side over. Now, this is the first point. Second point, we have to see whether it is a profit or loss. It is a profit, yes. Second point over. Third one, you have to check your work completion. Your work completion is more than 25%, yes. If it is more than 25%, what is the next calculation? Then, your net profit you have to divide. If it is less than 25%, we will not divide anything. If it is more than 25%, we have to divide your net profit into general reserve and profit and loss. Now, how to divide? Up to 25%, no division. 25 to 50%, 1/3 calculation. 50 and above, 2/3 calculation. Now, how to do the calculation? For that, we have formula. Now, notional profit into 1/3 into cash received divided by work certified. Notional profit, we know that 1/3. If the percentage is more than 50, then we should take 2/3. Now, right now it is less than 50%. We have taken 1/3 into 12 lakh divided by 15 lakh. Hope you are clear. Good. So your final answer is how much? 1,10,933. Hope you are clear. Yes. Now, we're done with this calculation now. We are completed with this and hope you understood this concept. Now, so finally, one amount will go to P&L, one amount will go to reserve, general reserve. Now, so I'll go back to all these slides. So my intention not to complete the problem, my intention only to explain if there is notional profit, what will be the calculation. Next session, we will go with 3 years contract with all this calculation. That will be your complete problem for your examination. So this will be question, your solution, the calculation. So this is a final calculation. Hope you understood. This is all about your today's session. Thank you.